Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourself and your family too. So, first of all, when we are preparing, first thing is that we need to clear our conceptual knowledge. Okay. Now, once the concepts are cleared, what is the next step that you have to do? Next thing is that you have to practice. You have to practice more and more questions. Okay. And after practicing, you also need to analyze yourself. Okay. So, for practicing, one very important thing that we all are aware about is the mock test. Okay, the test series. So why test series are important? Because test series, like, because these mock tests give you a feel of the examination and how to attempt the questions. Okay, so when you solve the mock test, you get to know that how you can attempt the paper in a better way, which questions to attempt first and which to skip, which to attempt later. Okay, so these all things we will get to know only if we practice enough questions, if we solve enough mock tests. Okay, so one of the test series, one of the mock tests that I followed, that I solved, were of test book. Okay, test book is like I personally have used the tests. Okay, and one test series like which is the most affordable test series available in the market. Like for 299 per year you get so many tests, and for 399 you get the tests for 2 years. Okay, so that is the most affordable test series that you can get. Okay, so and since the SBI clerical exam is also around the corner, and you need to practice more and more, and you need to solve more and more tests. They have many sectional tests, chapter wise tests, and they also have full length tests. Okay, so all these what you can do is like complete a topic. For example, you learned about syllogism or inequalities or anything, then you can give the chapter test of that particular topic. Okay, understand the concepts, give the test, then you will be more clear that as to like what you need to practice more and what you need to study again. Okay, so this is the benefit of the chapter test. And we have full length tests also. They also have previous year papers, and previous year papers are always very important. Like you need to solve previous years too, because you get to know the pattern. Okay, so this was one test series that I had and that I followed. Okay, so yes, and I told you about the chapter wise test. Then they have sectional test. Okay, like for example, you are done with the syllabus of reasoning. Now what you can do, and you are not and you have not completed maths, for example. So what you can do, you can give the sectional test. Okay, आपने चैप्टर वाइज दे दिया, बट आपका सेक्शन का आपको लगता है कि इनफ हो गया है कि आप कर सकते हो, तो आप उसका सेक्शनल टेस्ट दे दो फिर. ठीक है, सेक्शनल टेस्ट भी दे सकते हो आप, एंड उसके बाद आप फुल लेंथ टेस्ट तो दे ही सकते हो. एंड दे ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द सॉल्यूशंस. एंड ओके, तो जो भी आपको लगे कि आपको नहीं आया समझ, यू कैन सी, एंड उसमें आप अपना आपको पूरा एनालाइज करना है आपको अच्छे से. ठीक है, तो जब आप टेस्ट दोगे उसके बाद आपका एनालिटिक्स भी आता है प्रॉपर. ठीक है, तो व्हेन आई यूज टू गिव द टेस्ट, तो मैं क्या करती थी, मैं देख लेती लाइक उसमें आपको सेक्शन वाइज रीजनिंग में आपके कौन से टॉपिक स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया है, कौन सा आपका वीक है. तो आई यूज टू सी, ठीक है, कि पजल में अच्छा ठीक है मेरा अच्छा सही हो रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस. एक्यूरेसी भी मैटर करती है ना, तो उसमें कि अच्छा इसमें मेरी इतनी % एक्यूरेसी है, इंग्लिश में मेरी इसमें अच्छी एक्यूरेसी है. तो उसके हिसाब से अपना आप आगे का प्लान कर सकते हो. आगे का प्लान इन द सेंस कि सपोज आपकी एक्यूरेसी जो है मैथ्स के सिंप्लीफिकेशन में सपोज एक्यूरेसी कम है फॉर एग्जांपल, तो आपको उसमें अपनी एक्यूरेसी को बढ़ाना है. ठीक है, आपको उसके क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने हैं, और ताकि आपकी एक्यूरेसी पूरी हो. ठीक है, गलत नहीं होने चाहिए क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि वी हैव नेगेटिव मार्किंग टू. Okay, so this was about it, and this was the test series that I followed, and I personally have given many prelims level mock tests from test book, and previous years also I gave, like for RRB I remember that I gave the previous year from that, and यस उसका जो आपका स्क्रीन पे वैसे ही आता है जैसे एग्ज़ाम में आएगा, तो आपको हैबिट भी बनी रहेगी. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में अगर इंग्लिश हिंदी आपका साथ में आ रहा है, जैसे RRB में हुआ था, तो उसमें और आपको स्क्रॉल करने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा था, तो उसमें व्हाट यू नीड, आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. आपकी अगर प्रैक्टिस अच्छी होगी तो आप अच्छे से कर पाओगे. ओके. And also if you don't if you don't want to believe someone, you can just try the free test yourself, and then you can purchase the test series if you like. Okay, so this is one thing. And also one more thing, the test series for 1 year is of 299 rupees, but if you use my code, that is TP10, you can get additional 10% off. Okay, so yes, so 270 में आपको पूरे 1 year के टेस्ट मिल रहे हैं, and that you cannot find it anywhere. Okay, so yes, that was all about it. I hope you like the video, and also I've mentioned all the links in the description section. Okay, you can click on the links and buy the test series or attempt the free test. Okay, and then purchase it. Okay, thank you.